In today's video, I'll teach you how to change your username on TikTok. First of all, open the TikTok application. You can see over here I've opened it. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to change your username, tap on the profile icon that you can see at bottom. Now after that, you'll be led to the profile interface. Over here, you'll be able to see your profile informations. Right next to your name, you'll be able to find this option for edit. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to edit the profile informations over here. At second, you'll be able to find this option for username. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to change your username over here. Keep in mind you can change your username once every 30 days. So what you have to do is it is the initial username. Now enter the new username over here. Usernames can only contain letters, numbers, underscores and periods. So simply create the username likewise. Now once you enter the username, tap on the save option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on this option set username. Now you can see over here your username will be changed. So like this you'll be able to do it. So that is how you change your username on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.